This video explains the ways to emulate devices in order to approximate how the page looks and behaves in different view modes. Here we dive in, but make sure to hit the like button in case you enjoyed, and subscribe to not miss new content. As part of the Page API, Puppeteer provides tools allowing us to emulate different view modes when creating a page, though when creating multiple pages, each page has its own view mode. For example, we can emulate devices to feel the way the page performs on mobile, or use these tools to test the responsiveness experience of the page, and so on. To practically start emulating, we'll specifically seek for the appropriate user agent of the device that we want to emulate, to be set for our page. So let's arbitrarily say we're going to emulate iPhone X. Well, now that we found the user agent string, we can invoke the setUserAgent method and simply pass the user agent, nothing more. To be sure, let's print the user agent value inside the context of the page, using the evaluate method. Indeed, we can see that the user agent was set correctly. Nevertheless, setting the user agent solely is not enough to get the full device experience, since there might be display elements depend on the viewport itself. Therefore, the next thing to do is setting the viewport characteristics of our chosen device, which as we remember, is iPhone X. Just to demonstrate, we're going to change the dimensions of the page and the scale factor of the page, although there are more available options if needed. So unsurprisingly, the practical method that the Page API exposes to change the viewport called setViewport, and this method receives an object of the options to enable. Let's quickly check the device characteristics, meaning size and scale factor, in the official device compatibility reference, and pass them to the method. We are using the evaluate method once again, to extract the characteristics out of the page context, and eventually print them. So far we manually changed the user agent and viewport, but probably a question arises, whether it's possible to set them in a simpler way. The truth is, that we don't always have to specify the device characteristics explicitly, since Puppeteer arrives with a built-in list of device descriptors to be used exactly for that. These device descriptors usually come in handy together with the emulate method. This method is basically a shortcut for both setUserAgent and setViewport methods. Let's demonstrate how to use the device descriptors and the emulate method properly. First of all, we need to access the devices object which arrives on top of the Puppeteer API object. Then, all we need to do, is accessing the device by its name. Alright, so we've the device descriptors containing the user agent and the viewport characteristics. Now we can pass the device descriptor directly to the emulate method, instead of declaring properties explicitly, since these are exactly the options it accepts. To finish, let's execute the script we just created, and we'll instantly notice that the view mode of the page appears to be correct, meaning a mobile view with the proper measurements. But, let's not settle on visual inference, and check out our previous console logs. As expected, they are correct as well. Don't forget to hit the like button in case you enjoyed, and to subscribe to my channel.